Hello there, nice people. I hope you are doing well. Today, Apple just released the iOS 11.4 for developers. I'm making the download just now, as you can see. So today is the 2nd of April, and they launched just a few minutes ago. So I'm downloading on my iPad Air first generation. I would like to make a test on the performance and also the new features that probably are coming, and also on the iPhone 8. So if you want to see the new features, if there are any, and also, and the first, for me the most important, the performance on old iOS devices like this iPad Air, go ahead and put your thumbs up, and I'll be posting a video probably today regarding this new release. So without further ado, I hope to see you very, very soon. Bye bye.